Welcome everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use a workbench in Dying Light the Beast. Enjoy! So, to find a workbench we have to be in a safe zone, such as a monastery, and in here we have a small table with a green I don't know, something on it, and then we can press the F button to use our workbench. In here we have all of the possible items that we can craft and also upgrade with a blueprint. As you can see on the right we have on the left we have a common blueprint for a hand grenade, which is a default. And also we have on the right the rare blueprint. To craft this we have one beginner manual pages, which I have, but I don't have two cans, so I need to find cans that I will be able to upgrade my hand grenade. All of the grenades and tools, consoles can be upgraded by using blueprints. As you can see, I have a flashlight that is upgraded to a rare one. If I want to upgrade it to an epic blueprint, I need intermediate manual pages. This game is about collecting blueprints that we can upgrade our inventory. Very important stuff is a bandage, because we get more heal and applications time is quicker, so that is very good to upgrade our consumables as soon as possible. Also we can get into the weapons and weapons enhancement options. So in weapons we get blueprints that we can create. For example, I find a blueprint that let me craft these items, such as this knife or a bow or something like this. All of the components that you need you have under the description of this item, so it won't be hard to find it. Also you can press the R button to clean a blueprint. So if you find a blueprint you will see that you want this and you have it pinned to find it. Also the enchantments, we can enchant any of the equipped or owned guns. So to enchant I have to press left mouse button, and then I get a level 3 item instead of level 2. So this is warp, and workbench is very important in this game. In the low levels it's not that important, but it's good to collect all of the blueprints, and then you will be able to upgrade your full gear in your character. So this is all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!